Today has been a pretty eventful day for the markets, and not necessarily because a lot of cryptos are up crazy amounts, but really just because of all the news that's been going around. President Trump appeared on a live stream today for a massive announcement after a week-long absence. A lot of questions about that, a lot of questions about what he's going to be announcing over the next few days, but one of the most crucial parts of what he said was that the markets today are down because it needs the tariffs. Now, at the same time, we also have ourselves some massive purchases from MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a company that focuses on buying Bitcoin, and today they yet again announced a massive 4,048 Bitcoin purchase, which obviously is pretty freaking huge. But this time around, funnily enough, it's not only Bitcoin that was bought. There was also another company that bought a massive amount of Ethereum. Matter of fact, they bought another $700 million worth of ETH, 153,000 Ethereum over the past week. And it made me realize, really, when it comes to it, all we have to do right now to stay on top of the game is realize that there's so many more companies that are going to be following this trend, that see the money, that smell the opportunity. All we got to do is front run them. All we got to do is go with the flow. Theoretically speaking, it really can be that easy. At least that is my opinion on the matter. Now, if you're talking about the September month, Jim Cramer said that this is historically a pretty weak month. And I guess that goes accompanied with gold all of a sudden reaching new heights again. Just another casual Monday night for gold, nearing $3,600 an ounce for the first time in history as global central banks cut rates into inflation. Gold and Bitcoin are telling the future. Then again, to a certain extent, is Bitcoin doing that well right now? Medium. You might be wondering why the hat. Well, fun fact. I never knew that there is traditions in different countries to grab a hat like this and start eating freaking crayfish. I couldn't believe it that there was a tradition to wear this hat. And so, since I didn't believe it, I promised that I may make a video wearing the hat because I called bluff. And oh boy, was I wrong. Oh boy, was I wrong. Matter of fact, though, if you're enjoying these daily crypto videos, make sure you press that like button because I didn't share it in the videos too much. But what I want to do is do a significant amount more giveaways. Basically, maybe do like a, for example, $60 giveaway every 3 days or 2 days, where we kind of get into the habit of making sure people get some sort of starting bonuses and this and that. I mean, I announced a giveaway like last month, more than last month, and I only picked the winners today because there was some hiccups. I thought I could easily let Grok pick it. Wasn't as easy, so I just used like a Twitter picker today. But I want to just make it a little bit more frequent, a little bit more consistent, and I'm thinking maybe we do like $1,000 a month or something like that, split over just every few days. I think that might be something cool to watch out for. Regardless, talking about it, I talked before about why I was opening up these Pionex bots, right? If you've been watching the channel, you know that one of the things I talk about a lot on this channel is all my different trading bots, all my different trading strategies. And, well, I still stand by the fact that this is just one of the craziest opportunities we've got in crypto right now. But the reason I opened a World Liberty Finance bot specifically is because I believe out of all the cryptos out there, there's a very good chance that the Trump family are going to be pushing this into oblivion. And for that reason, even if the market, first of all, corrects really hard, that dumps the coin into the ground, as long as it gets some sort of recovery eventually, because of perhaps, well, the Trump family just making so much money off of it, because realize this, the Trump family's wealth increased by $5 billion after the launch of World Liberty Financial Token, suppressing all the real estate as their largest asset. I've been thinking about it. They're not going to let this one slide too easily. The amount of money I personally think they want to make with this is so insane. I think this is going to stay around for a while. And I realized in the comments section, a lot of people like to prove me wrong, say, no, Dusty, don't believe in another Trump launch. They're going to let it go to zero. And I counter that by saying, I think they also have realized from the Trump meme coin, etc., that they can, but they can make way more money by trying to just copy other crypto companies. Personal opinion, kind of like how Tron did it, and just really catch itself a top 10 spot over time because they've got the connections, they've got everything they need, and basically try to replace Tether in the meantime, try to replace Aava, try to replace everything, because why not? They can. And even if they don't actually replace them, they can get a good percentage of it. Now, again, am I super bullish on this? No, because it's still kind of ass. But on the opposite side, I just do not believe the Trump administration, those guys, are going to let this go to waste, because it's a company effort. It's their names on the line from Trump and family. I think this is going to be at least very volatile. A lot of speculation around it, which is why we've already been able to make 20% worth of gains, of just passive gains, in the past 6 days. It's huge, right? Anyway, but the bots still, all I'm doing right now is just watching them, paying close attention, and I'm actually thinking of adding more to my ETH bots here by just maybe perhaps opening a new 10K to 1 million challenge, only focusing on ETH. I think that might be something fun to do, because it's been a while since I tried something like that, right? We only have got ourselves the 10K to 1 million challenge with XRP, but it could be fun to do it with ETH as well here. Anyway, I've also been adding more ETH, I'm just checking out on the left here, more XRP. What else have I been adding? I've been adding a few different coins to my main trades. For example, my trades over on Bluefin. And if you're always looking for them, if you're wondering, where am I trading on? You can always find some links down below. Like right now, for example, one of the best platforms I think it's worth to trade on is over on Payonix, because it's all automated. It's all simple. There's nothing you need to do, and it makes sense. It's like algorithmic trading, because you insert exactly your parameters, and it'll trade according to your strategy. Now, I've already put these strategies in. All you got to do, theoretically speaking, is just press copy and follow along if you want to, or create your own strategies. It's very freaking simple. And I've also created a full-on sheet that I've shared in Discord, but I'm having some issues with all the viewability, let's call it. So I'm not exactly 1,000% sure how everybody can fully get into that section of the Discord. So I got to figure that out, and I'll probably be done with that tomorrow. But regardless, over on Payonix as well, right now there's a pretty cool campaign going on where anybody that's starting out can get themselves upwards of $1,000, because you see here we're giving away about $5,000 or so. And it's basically just for people that start a new bot right now. The top 10 people will get rewarded for it. And right now there's only like 20 people in it, so you've got a 50-50 chance of making it. All you got to do is just use the first link I've got down below to make yourself an account. And there's always a link down below that will say like join the competition or something. But in the meantime, I always recommend go link by link. Sign up with the first link. Just sign up, make your account. Then the second link is to claim yourself a bonus that you otherwise might not be able to get anywhere else. So use the second link to claim yourself a bonus. It gets you a nice deposit bonus. And the third one, then go for the competition. That's the way to optimize your bonuses. I'm just letting you know that might be the nicest. If you're just looking for a platform to trade on, you might also want to check out Bluefin or WeX. Different reasons I use those for. It's just for UI purposes for the most part. You know, sometimes they're a little bit easier to trade on, or they look a little bit nicer. Or maybe one of these is not really working too well in your country for some reason. You might want to try one of the other ones. But Payonix I always use for all my bots, which are basically my main trades nowadays. I mean, I've told you before, I really want to get this number to roughly 2 million invested. So with 5 times leverage or so that I use, it's about $10 million worth of altcoin and a little bit of Bitcoin exposure. I think that's quite nice to have in the hopefully best part of the run right now, because I personally believe that this is really where the craziness starts. I mean, over on Twitter right now, they are saying that September, theoretically speaking, is some of the worst time, right? And I will counter myself by saying that if you still are not in profit in your entire crypto portfolio, like overall, you've not been playing this season too well, but it's not lost. All hope is not lost. You can still most likely make up for it. Theoretically speaking, this is your worst month, right? This is not the month where you're supposed to make all the gains. This is kind of a month where you're looking at it thinking, I hope next month is going to be better. Because I believe I also saved here a little article that showcased that. Let's quickly see here. I think out of the last, since the stock market, I think maybe since like 1957 or something like that, most of the time, the S&P actually went down in this little period, but I, for some reason, cannot find it anymore between my bookmarks. I probably just opened it somewhere, and it's a little bit harder for me to find. But the point still stands that usually September is quite a bit of a negative month, but we don't really let that influence ourselves, right? We don't have to. All we got to do is just realize that we'll make it over a few month time span if we don't make it today. And at the end of the day, these companies are buying massive amounts of coins. All we got to do is just kind of follow along and perhaps take a little bit more advantage of the volatility in the midst. So not fully longing them, but like I said before, also adding a bit into the bots. You can see, look at Solana, for example. 43 days, we made 23%. So we made, on 6.5 SOL, we made 1.5 SOL. You might think, Dusty, why are you doing such little numbers? Well, I mean, we've still got about let's say $1.3 million in the bots right here. It's not nothing. And then we've got this one. So it's also not about $200,000. It's still a significant sum of money, but it's also because I think to some extent it might be easier for people to follow along if they're numbers that they can understand. And what I mean with that is if I put up crazy amounts of money in, oh, by the way, look at this. BTC is coming back up. I didn't actually buy that dip just now on here, it seems. I did buy some more XRP just earlier, and we're pumping back. Remember, guys, a little bit earlier today, I made a video, or somewhere yesterday, saying, hey, this looks like a pretty good bottom for XRP. And that's because over on X, and very soon here over on Telegram as well, we are sharing a lot of, well, interesting analysis about the price. Right here, I don't talk about trading too much on the channel, but over on my Twitter, you'll definitely find a lot of very interesting information with regards to it. For example, and what I'm going to do probably is get my analyst in some of these live streams or videos. So hopefully we could do some more live trading as well. Because right now, as I said before, I think we're getting to a point where the market is going to be so freaking hot. It's not yet right now that it's worth it to take more attention to short-term opportunities. Here, for example, just last night, we're talking about XRP bouncing from these levels. And again, you could just keep scrolling back, right? But this is at about 2. Oh, why did my monitor just turn off? I see that I unplugged a cable. I think we're all good though. I'm gonna double check it later though, just to be sure. But I also I have so many monitors on my thing right now. Here we go. Okay, this should be a bit better. As I was trying to say though, we called yesterday for XRP to make a nice bounce. I think it's worth it to get my analyst in more of these videos or streams just to get a bit more going here for the people. And again, these are short-term things, right? What we're talking about is short-term trades, short-term opportunities. You may be looking at this thinking, hey, Dusty, you're talking only about, for example, a very small move of 10% or whatnot. Is that all you think about these coins? No, there's two different things. One is mostly my hold stash and the bot strategies, which I think are very, very low risk, my own personal opinion, not financial advice. And then you've got the opposite side with a proven track record. We'll get all the details out to you, completely free, by the way. No, nothing required from your side. I'm just going to be providing it because I have it anyway. And in the market of trading, at least to this extent, there's no harm done. And I think it's worth it for people to see at least some of this. So I think it's going to be pretty cool. Regardless, if you just keep looking at the updates, things have been pretty accurate thus far. And right now, for example, I think we've already gone back to about 285 or so, which of course is also kind of what we called out here before. So that's been pretty nice to watch. And I'm really happy that nowadays I'm getting good double exposure. On the one hand, we're making a lot of money off of volatility. So as the market moves sideways and goes up, down, sideways, right? We make a lot of money based on the bots. And on the opposite side, all the longs, they're still doing their longing thing. They're still increasing here. I just bought a bit more XRP earlier today. We just added some ETH here as well. Let me quickly see here. The ETH price was not as optimal. I think around 4,300 or so that we got in. XRP has been a bit more optimal as it was below, I believe 280 even. My long though, my XRP long, it's looking dangerously low, right? Look at this, only $150,000 profit or so, when this is over $400,000 before, but I've still got confidence we'll see at least $1 million in the plus soon enough. All I gotta be is patient. And I know every single time I look at the comment section, people are laughing at me, but it's okay, right? We've been through this before. I actually had this at minus $80,000 or $100,000 before as well a while back. It's all cool, right? I know what I'm holding. I know my strategy. It's going to be, in my opinion, fine. Anyway, even if that's all nothing for you, again, I recommend you to check out the bots that I've covered every single day for the past like 140 days or so, because you can see all the profit for yourself. You can see all the numbers. You can see how it's gritting out profits. You can see every single detail of it, and it makes you understand just how valuable this strategy has been. And the reason I personally think it's going to change a lot of people's lives, because if you have to do everything manually, you can. It's thus far in the S&P, gold, crypto, always worked out well for you, because these markets have most of all been upwards, right? It's only a matter of, do you have the consistency to keep it up? And what I'm talking about there is, if you had bought into cryptos ever, if you'd bought into gold or the S&P or most of the top stocks right now ever, you would have made a ton of money. How could you have made a lot more though? Two parts. One is by buying freaking dips. 1.5 is by not selling dips, but part 3 is by accurately selling as well every time you did buy a dip to get liquidity, to mostly just make money off of volatility instead of just only waiting for it to be up. Because anybody could have bought and be up right now as the market moved up, right? But it's a little bit harder to make money as it slowly moves upwards, as the up and downs come along, and take advantage of those up and downs. Two different things. We're trying to focus on the second right now, making money on every single move, making money on the volatility, which is, like I said, all automated, very, very simple through bots. And I'll be posting probably like a little bit of what's the best way to call it? I want to call it like a tutorial or some sort of almost course-like thing. I think I'm just going to post it over in Discord so y'all can just see it and enjoy it, because I don't think it has to be too difficult. I made a few videos here explaining all the details, but for some reason, people don't really look at it too much. If I make a video tutorial, some people like to still ignore it. So I think it might be something where like I need to just get more of a dedicated part here, talking about all these different settings, all these different parts, like how to exactly join in. And I also want to make a section here for people to share their results, how they've been doing with the bots, or perhaps get a little discussion going about the competition. Here, I'll just share whenever we have cool competitions going on with some prize pools. We can do like $10,000 a month that we give away amongst the people that are trying the bots out. Why not, right? Because I said before, I want to try and make a good, proper trading bot team. Hopefully, they will also help me enhance my own strategies. Hence, I need to find, or for that reason, I need to find the best people out there. And it could be somebody who just started out yesterday. You never really know, right? Now, looking at it, even though it was not meant to be that way, some people can already see it. The things I've placed right here, because they're open, the sections, but for some reason, it was not showing up in everybody I asked when it came to their Discord list. Some people can already find it. Maybe you can already find it with the Discord link down below. Maybe you can already look into it. If so, hey, all cool, all power to you. I've got an overview of all my bot settings right in there. I've got a frequently asked questions section, everything you can find. Just check the links down below. And I'm going to be doing a lot more coverage on this because I think it's that powerful. And that's about it for this little crypto update. But yeah, hopefully see you guys again another one, because today is a beautiful day for the markets. Even though they're down for the most part, Trump says, hey, don't worry about it. And CZ, the co-founder of Binance, he basically said, never sell the dip. I want to bring this back to you. He's never been wrong. Whenever he said, don't sell the dip, usually the markets move pretty crazy upwards. But more importantly, since these markets have been permanently up, really, you just sometimes got to not doubt it too much. It's just easier that way, man. Those are my thoughts. That's about it for right now.